Hey everyone, welcome. This is Dominion Tech, and today I'll be showing you the introduction to Pixellab. As you all know that the app we want to use in this tutorial is Pixellab. So let's dive directly into the design canvas without wasting much of our time. So you can see here is Pixellab, which is the Pro app. This one you cannot see it on Play Store. The only one you can see on Play Store is the blue color. That one is not Pro, but this red one is the Pro of Pixellab. So don't worry, I will send the APK to you in the file, so you will download it. I will provide it for you. So without wasting much of our time, let's move to the design canvas now. You can see I click on it, I open it. If you open Pixellab, this is what it is going to show. You can see how the interface is. Let me click on cancel, so you can see everything, the interface. All these are the already made templates you can use if you choose to use any of it. If you click on it, you can see you can use it, but we are not going to use template. But before we start anything, before we move into tutorial or anything, let me quickly explain the environment, introduce you to the environment for those of you that are new to it. So you can see this icon, this A icon. This is where you will be writing your test if you want to add text. Let's click on it now. You can see it has two things, test and code. You click on test now, you can edit, click on edit, add the test you want to add. You can see add your test to Dominion. Let me just add one test. You can see the Dominion test. Then if you click OK, so you can just drag it with your hand to anywhere. So if you want to edit it, like adding anything, you can see these are the tools you can use to edit it. For example, if you want to add color, click on color, add color, change the color to any of your choice. So if you can click on mark, and if you want to add gradient, here is gradient, so click on mark. Then this is texture. If you want to add image to that text, for example, let's click on texture. Let's just choose one image and add it. Let's choose on this image, click on this image. You can see that the image is showing inside the text. You can see it's showing inside the text, so that's texture. So let's delete it. Then the next thing, you can see opacity. If you want to lower the opacity and so on, to rotate, this one is rotate. If you want to rotate it around, then you can rotate it. Let's click on. Then the next one is mask. This mask, you can use it if you want to cut any part of it. Like for example, if you drag it like this now, you can cut any part of it like this. You can see this is mask. This working is we use it for, and you can see in out. If you click on this out, it will only show the inside. So if you click on this in, that means you want it to clear the inside. So let's click on cancel. Then you can see fonts. Here is where you add your fonts. For example, if you want to add any fonts of your style, just add it here, so you can see. Then the next one is style. If you want it to be bold, want it to be italic, want it to be underlined, so all these are the styles you can apply to it. So let's go back. Then here is curve. If you want your text to be curved, for example, if you want to make it curved, so here is where you apply that feature. Let's click on cancel. Then background, you can add background text to your text. Like let's add this background, or let's add a white background. You can see you can add background. You can increase the padding to the left. Padding, that's the space inside it. Then the right, you can just apply anything you want to do, apply it the way you want it. So these are the features. You can click on cancel. If you want to align your text, maybe you have a lot of text, you want to align them. And this one, space, you want to increase the space like this. This is where you click to increase the space. Then the next one, you can see line. For example, let me add another text to this text. Let's go to edit. Let me just break this one into two. Sorry, let me break it into two. So let me do like this. So just be brushing. Let's now go to that line space. You can see you can increase the line space between. You can see you can increase the space or lower the space. So just do your desire. Then cancel. Stroke. If you want to add stroke to your text, like let's add a white stroke now. Stroke is the round. You can see that's the round line. You can increase it to your desire. Sorry, that's so you can increase it to your desire. Cancel. Then shadow. If you want to add shadow, and the rest of it, emboss. If you want to add emboss to anything, we are still going to use this feature in our design. So you can see you apply those features. If you want to make your text in 3D, you use this, edit it the way you want. You can just change the color or darken it the more. Then just do it. You can see you can rotate it 3D. You can see how it is now. So this one is like this. So this is how you do it. This one is Z rotation. So you just do it the way you want it. Then shadow, 3D shadow, if you want the shadow below like this, so that's where you put it. Then the reflection of it, if you want the reflection like this, you can see how it reflects. So the distance and everything. So that's the features in the text, in this text bar. That's the feature inside it. Then the next icon here, now you can see this icon. If you click on it now, that is where you add your stickers. Like if you want to add any type of sticker, you can see them, any type of sticker, or you can see anything, just add it from here. Then the next thing you can see import. If you click on this import now, it will direct you to your device. That is where you import your image, anything you want to use. Then draw, you can click on this draw to draw anything with your hand. You can increase the pen size, you can see you can lower the pen size, smooth it. You can even add a glow. You can see this neon glow. You can blur it, you can blur it, you can see, do it, you just edit it the way you want. Plus, so the next one is shape. Here is where you add your shape. You can resize your shape the way you want, add radius, opacity. This is the fill color for, you can see this is the fill color for the shape. But you need to understand, we have another set here below it, which is stroke. You can add stroke, but this stroke also has its own color below. You can see here is the color for the stroke. Just click on it, add any color you want to add, then you can lower the opacity, do it the way. And if you want to change the shape, here you can see you click on this bar. If you click on it, it will give you access to the available shape. You can see, change it to any shape of your desire, change it, you can change it to any shape and edit it the way you want. Just do it the way you want. So that's where you add your shape. Okay, then the next one is Bezier. This Bezier too, you can use it to, maybe for example, let's click here. You can see you can use it to, let me take it back, let me open it again. Bezier. So you can see it now. You can use it to draw any shape, do any kind of things you want to do. For example, now maybe you want to edit it to draw a shape. Let's click on, you can click here so that it can give you access to edit it. So let's click it now. You can see you can edit it the way you want, and if it is this side, you click on it, you edit it the way you want. So let's do it like this. I want you to show you something. Then if you want to add another another clip, if you want to add another clip to it, you can just click here to add another. Click it now, you can see. So if you click it, just click on anywhere you want to add. Let's click here, you can see it show another one. Then let's click here to bring another one. Then let's click here to add another one. So, but if you want to add color now, it won't. Let's check. You can see if you add color now, it won't fill it. You can see it is only showing is the color in the line. So, but this is what you need to do. To add color, you need to click on this so that it will clip them together. It will make that thing to loop. It will make it to loop. I made this one. If you click on this one, you can see it connects. So it will make it to loop. Let's click on it now. You can see it loop them here. If you check here, you can see that it loop them. That is, it connects them. So you can now add fill color. You can see there is a space for fill color now. If you increase the fill color, you can see you can add color to it. You can see. So you can draw the shape what you want and add it. So that's the what you use Bezier to do. Then the next one is arrow. If you want to add any kind of arrow like this one, increase it, you just edit it the way you want. So those are the tools inside Pixellab. Pixellab, you can design what you want to design. So you can design what you want to design, though it's not advanced, but still you can still use it as for smartphone design. So click on cancel. Then the next, we are done with here. Then the next one now is this bar. You can see if you click on it now, you will see it. This is where you add your background color. The first one is color. If you add it now, you can see background color. This is where you add your background color of your desire. Then if it is gradient, you add your gradient or any one you want. So let's click on now. Then the next one is transparent. If you want the background to be transparent like this now, if you save anything With this, it will have no background because you have changed it to transparent. Then this one is where you add your image size. This image size, you can add your image size that you want. So this one also, if you upload or click anything, you can crop it, or if it is background, this place is just used for your background. Then this one is image. This one are image inside the design itself. Image inside the design itself, if you want to use them for your background. So like I said, this bar is just for background. I'm doing it quickly because I don't want to waste much of our time. Then if you want background from gallery, you can just click from gallery to take you to your device, add background of your desire, you can see. So this is what it is used for. Then the next one now is this, the last two here. I'm talking about this. So this last two, you can see you can use it to add some effects, some filter. So for example, if you want to add vignette, you can see add vignette, add color. If you want to add it, you can see. So increase it, lower it. Then the next one, you can see noise. If you want to add noise to your design, so you can see the noise. You want to add noise to your design, that's what you use it for. Then stripe, like line. So then brightness, you want to increase the brightness, that's what you use them for. Then you can see as many and more that we have here. Then hue, if you want to just see the color, so you can see saturation. This one is for background. You need to understand, this one is for background. For example, let's do something. For example, if you upload anything, click on this icon which I said you will be using to upload. If you click on it now, let's upload something. Click on imports. Then okay, no, let's upload something like maybe we should upload this design. Okay, let's upload this one. You can see that if you click on this bar which I said is used for background, if you click on it now and add this contrast, you can see that is affecting only the background. So this one is for background. But if you want to add any effect to this image you import, what you need to do is click on that image section, because every section has its own bar. If you want to edit any section, this is the bar you use, because that's where you use to upload it. If it is test now, this one is for test, this one is for test. So edit. Then let's click on this image now. If you want to add filter or effect to this image, like I said, this one is for background. Go to that section where you add your image. You can see that it's now give you the those features you can use to edit it. So they are now available. It's not showing import or export again. It's giving you access to edit the image you upload. So you can just edit it. For example, if you want, you can say color filter. This is where you can change this the color of this one. You can see, do it the way you want. Like I said, the other one is for the background. Then lower the opacity if you want to apply texture like that of the text. So you can see stroke, so on 3D. They are more like the same because each have its own. If you click on this text now, let's click on this text that we are using earlier. If you click on it now, you will notice something. I click on it now, you can see that place show. Go back to that import section and shape, because this is not a space you can use to edit your text. If you want to edit your text, just click on this A. If you click on it now, you can edit your text. You can see the feature for text, so you can edit your text. This one is for anything you upload or shape. This one is for text and so on. So that's where you edit it. And if you want to save your design, you can click here. Just click here to save your design. That place that is showing like white and blue, you can click it to save your design. If you click it now, you can see. If you want to save your project, then if you want to save your image, you can just change it. Click here to change it. I normally save in Ultra because that's the most perfect way to save. Sorry, I just save it. This is what I want to do. You click on save. If you click this place now, you will see it will show some things you can use. You can see I normally save in Ultra because that's the high resolution. So let me click it back. Then if you click on save as project, it will save it. Let's just save it in one minute. Let me save it like okay, you can see now. Then if you want to go to see your project, here is the space for your project. You can click on it to see your project. Click on it, you can see my project. You will see your project here. So your project will be saved there. Then these are the layer. If you click this toolbar, this bar, you can see, you will see your layer. You can see the layer. You can bring the text to the top. If you want to bring anything to the top, you can click here. Sorry, that was mistake. Click here, click this dots, click it and drag it. Let's try it. I want this text to stick at the top now. I click on it. You can see the way it shows. Then drag it to the top. You can see. Let's now, if you want to close your layer panel, just click here. Sorry, click here. Just click that place back. If you click it, then it will disappear. So you can see that the text is now on top of this one. Then if you want this image to be on the top, you can also click here. This bar that you use to edit your image. If you click on it now, you can see, you see some feature, position to front to back. If you click on to front now, you can see that the text is now under it. You can see. So that's where you edit your designs. And this place, if you want to add ruler, you can use this bar. You can see this this bar that is in like net. You can click on it to apply your ruler. If you want to change your ruler style, you can click here to, you can see, click it now. Scroll your ruler to any position. If you want to edit your tools, then you click here back. Click this place, this place, then it will close it. If you click it now, you can see now. So you can edit what you want to edit. And if you want to apply more ruler, add more ruler, click that place back. You can see, click it back, click it. Then if it is, you can click on any of these. If you want to add, you can see. If you want to minus, if you want to add, you can see, click on this plus. If you want to add like column, you can see, add more. If you want to set them to position, you can see, and position them the way you want. So that's where you edit them. That's where you edit anything you want to do using Pixellab. I hope with this you are able to learn, you are able to gain something. Thanks you very much, and thanks for watching.